Alright, hello YouTube. I'm going to show you today my 91 Chevy Cavalier. Before that, or rather after that, we're going to go, after I service the saw, get wood for the fire pit. Don't know when we're going to have a fire again, but we're going to go get wood for it. But first, my 91 Chevy Cavalier. I bought this off my uncle or off my aunt, or soon to be aunt, and the battery shot. This is attempt number 2. I'm having camera issues again. Alright, so back on that car you go. Maybe. There. Alright, now, where's that tool go? Gun. I lost the tool. Aha! I found the tool. Okay. I've already disconnected the hot, as you call it. Now we're going to disconnect the negative. And I'll be back in a second with the new battery. Alright, I've took the liberty of getting a different interstate battery. I guess I shouldn't say new battery, because I had this one in the basement, or Dad did. But I like it because it's dual terminal. I don't have to fight with the jumper box if I need to. I can just set it on the top of the battery. Okay, now we're going to see if she's going to start. If not, we're going to put her on the charger. Okay. This is the inside of my car. Oh, fart. Keys would be a good thing. Are on top of my car. Alright. Okay, I had the turn signal on. Ha! That battery's good! I'll be gol darn! Okay, yes, the brake light is on. Before my uncle passed away, when he had this car, to make a long story short, my aunt and my other uncle loaned him this car to drive. He passed away at the age of 38. I bought the car. Well, it blew a brake line, and before he could get it fixed, he passed away. So it needs some work, and while it's warming up, since I have it running, this is it. It's got a 2.2 liter engine. I intend on fixing it up and restoring it fully. Doesn't sound bad. I just put a new air cleaner in it. I don't know how well it's showing up because the sun's freaking bright today. But those are my uncle's rims. I'm going to put different rims on it because he paid a lot of money for them and then hand painted it. So I said I would give those back. That's my trunk. Yeah, messy, messy, messy. I got oil and an oil filter, brake shoes. I bought a new jack for it. I got water coming out of the exhaust, but that's from sitting. not in bad shape. Here's the trunk of my car. Get you a better side view. Yeah, that's my not forgotten. I got that for 9/11. My fire company went to a service for 9/11 and they gave us those magnets. See? It says not forgotten. But, alright. That is a good battery. I actually thought I'd have to charge it. And I should have checked the water. Oh well. But, there it is. Oh, boy. Alright. So, that's done. Yeah, sunroof. I like it. Alright, talk to you in a bit. Alright, well, you saw the car. Now we're going to go get wood. That I'll show you when I get back. Right now we're going to head and cut wood. First, turn on the gas. Get that out of my way. Yeah, my backing up of the trailer is to be desired. Good enough. Be back in a second. Alright, something happened to the saw. Something's definitely wrong with it. Every 2 seconds I'm popping the chain now. So I did get a little bit of wood, as you can see. I still have that left and that over there. If you can see that, it's like right there where I'm pointing. But let's head for home. Okay, last thing, the trailer. This was my black trailer with the mobile workbench on it. It was my agrifab trailer. Yes, I am putting the workbench back in. I'm also going to pull this through the 4th of July parade in Osceola. It's going to be red, white, and blue, as you can see. Body, red. The wheels, white. And workbench, obviously blue. I'm probably going to put my saw up there and my toolbox and put some tools on the bench. I don't know exactly how I'm going to set it up yet, but I'm going to see how I do. I got 2nd place last year in Phillipsburg's Heritage Days Parade, so I won't be going to that this year. I'm going to my uncle's wedding, my other uncle's. The one I bought the car off of. Like I said, my other uncle passed away, the one that was driving it, because he didn't have a car and they had an extra. So, but yep, that's it. Alright, so I will talk to you guys again later.